Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy. We're on COVID quarantine, and Wendy has composed a few questions that we get a lot, and so we're going to go through those.
Number 1, how do hair transplants work?
Hair transplants work by taking hair from a part of your head, a part of most people's heads, that don't have receptors for testosterone, or the metabolites of testosterone. And so you can assume these are like green flowers back here. And the flowers up here have these receptors for testosterone that slowly kills them over time. And when they go away, there's just soil up here. And so you take these flowers back here and you move them up to the front. And because they don't have receptors, they should stay up here as long as they would stay back here. And so it's just like moving plants. And I grew up farming, and it is exactly like when we used to move trees and bushes and stuff around on the farm. You dig things up, you try to take care of not to damage the root. You dig a nice hole to put the plant in, you put it in, you make sure it gets some water, some blood supply, and the wind doesn't blow it over for the first couple of days. You keep it good and clean, and then next season it grows. It's exactly how it works.
I like that.